what is an algebraic fraction? It's a fraction just like divisions you've seen before, except it has variables in it, symbols, and not just numbers. For example, look at 24ab squared divided by 30a squared b squared. That's an algebraic fraction. It's a fraction with algebraic symbols in it. The main thing we want to do with algebraic fractions is make them as simple as possible. We like to simplify our fractions into what we call lowest terms, or reduced terms. We apply one process to the numerical part, the coefficients 24 and 30, and a slightly different process to the letters A and B. Let's look at an example of how we can do this the hard way by factoring everything out. 24 is 2 times 2 times 3. We have an A factor, and the B squared is 2 B factors. The 30 is 2 times 3 times 5. We have 2 factors of A, and we have 2 factors of B. Now that's written out in detail. You know that when you have fractions that have the same factors on the top and on the bottom, you can reduce. These 2's reduce. The 3's reduce. One of the A's, leaving an A in the bottom, and in fact, both of the B's. This reduction or cancellation process reduces our algebraic fraction to its lowest terms. Let's put it back together, the parts that remain. 2 times 2 is 4, and there are no symbols left on top. 5 times A is the denominator, and that's a reduced rational expression, an algebraic expression. If you notice something like a greatest common factor, for example, 24 and 30 have 6 in common, you can make the process faster. But even if you don't, you can eventually reduce the most complicated rational expression, algebraic fraction, into lowest terms. And now you know a little bit more about algebraic fractions.